Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are enjoying yourself. My dear friends, I am making this short video especially for informing you. Please keep studying at home. Please keep watching my videos and please keep completing your homework so that you may improve yourself in future. Actually, today it's Friday today, and it's 5th May 2023. And in these days, people are very busy for attending marriage party, and I am also very busy nowadays, my dear friend. That's why I am unable to make video continue. But I assure you, after completing this session, I think after completing 1 week, I will bring especially videos for you, especially for you, and I will upload continuous video so that you may read them and you improve yourself, my dear friends. But I suggest you, please, if you are staying at home nowadays and you are in a holidays session nowadays, and I know very well that you are not going to school daily and you are not going to college daily because your schools and college are closed nowadays. But still you are at home, and while staying at home you need to practice daily. You need to complete your homework daily. You need to make conversation with your friends and family so that you may improve yourself. That's why I am making this video, my dear friends. Please read only 2 hours daily. I don't say that you have to study more than 8 hours, more than 10 hours, but I say that please study only 2 hours. Only 2 hours is enough for you. Only 2 hours is very special for you, and 2 hours can make your career. 2 hours can make your future, especially in English language. We will meet in another video. Until then, take care and bye.